This is the story of our garden railroad. Like a lot of people, it all started with a simple indoor Christmas layout, but eventually spread to our entire garden, all 100 by 50 feet of it. Today, the layout goes through a fairy garden with a small pond and a tunnel through a waterfall. It passes through a village with a station. And then onto a second village with another station. Before heading across one of our koi pond waterfalls. The circuit is completed by passing over a bridge with yet another waterfall. Sadly, our railroad is currently in need of some maintenance and repair. So follow me this spring as I replace track, reballast the entire layout, rebuild a tunnel and maintain the engines. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe for more like it coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.